Hi guys, so we are starting today with the Excel basics. Uh, I'm gonna tell you today only the Excel's few shortcuts. So I would like to correct myself, not Excel basics, but the shortcuts of Excel. So those who are already working on the Excel basic but don't have much knowledge, or those who have just started working on the Excel and would like to know the shortcuts to improve their speed while working on the Excel. So for that I have created this very small video. It won't take a longer time. I would just be switching to Excel. So this is just a sample, just a first page. So what are the Excel shortcuts to remember in Windows? Because Mac works differently. In Macs there is no alt key, so these shortcuts doesn't work the way it works in Windows. So I am giving these keys only for Windows and not for Mac. Keep that into your mind. Okay, so let's move to the sheet 2. So once I click on this plus, we create a new sheet. Now once you are working here, let's start with this most basic thing in Excel, and that is when you press alt key on your keyboard, just like the way I am pressing this alt key. So these appears like F, H, N, P, M, A, R, W, and if I add more items to the ribbon, so those also will have few shortcuts. So H is for home, N for insert, P for page layout, M for formulas, A for data, R for review, W for view, and L for developers. So for example, let's prepare a small table. The name is, and then date of birth. So first name I am putting is Ram. It's okay. So let's, I have made a mistake in typing the name. So what should I do? Shall I press a click here or here and then I edit, or shall I use any shortcut key? So the shortcut key for this in Excel is F2. Once I press F2, it will go in edit mode. Okay. So just as you saw, I didn't click here. Instead, I just clicked on F2 key in the keyboard. Now I can edit it easily. Ram, age is 32 and date of birth is let's take 1st of July 1991. Okay, so now come Shyam. So Shyam age is 30 and the date of birth is 01 2000, not 2001, 93. Let's make it little bit logical over here. 93. Okay, so now what I have to do is I have to put it in bold, because it is the title of each and every column in this table. It's just a table of three things: name, age, and date of birth. I would like to put name, age, and DOB in bold. So what I would do is I will use Control and B. I will press them together. Control and B. I press them together. So, and how we can do it in other way is that, like, I am just doing it in again normal mode. So how we can do it? We press again Alt. I press Alt. Now I have to go into Home because bold is present in the Home. So I am going and I am typing this H key on our keyboard. I press H. Now for after pressing H, now I can see all the options again. Like it's FF for font, and then FS for font size. It is for font format. Then FG, FK, FC font color. It's H for filling the filling the cells with particular color. It is for the alignment of data in Excel. It is the all these are different sorry, these all keywords we have to press them. For example, here if I press 1, it will convert everything in the bold. Yes, name, age, and DOB is in bold. Okay, so if I have to change the border of this table, for example, right now, if you see this table, there is no border line, but I what I'm doing, I am selecting these all three. Okay, now I have to put it in the border. So what I will do, I will go again. I will press Alt, then H. Now for border, we have this B. This section is for bordering any particular selection. So I press B now. Now after pressing B, I have option bottom border, top border, left border, right border, no border, all border, outside, thick outside border, bottom double border, thick bottom border, top and bottom border, top and thick bottom border, top and double bottom border, draw border or draw border grid, erase border, line color, line style, or more border. So what I'll do, I'll and for that other option is that you have to press here the underlined keyword. For example, here O. If I have to just select and do only bottom border, I have to click only on O. But again, if for the top border, I have to click on P only. So the keyword which is underlined, I have to press that keyword on the keyboard only to do that border or enter any particular action. For example, here if I take, I have to take all borders. So what I'll do, I will press A on my keyboard. I pressed it, and now if you see, whole table is bordered. Every cell is bordered by it now. Similarly, if I am typing here, my name is X. Okay, so now this line is going out of the cell's width. What I want to do is I just want to extend this to another cell. So what I will do is I will select two cells. Okay, now I will click on Alt in my keyboard. Then I will go to H, and then I will go to M, because this is a function of merger and center. So I will press M. Now I pressed M. I have to merge across, merge cells, unmerge cells, or merge and center. I just want to merge and center. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to click on C in the keyboard. Okay, I am doing a click on C. So now you can see, if I control C means copy and try to paste it here, so it will again, it merged these two E and F again. Similar like how it was here in B and C, it copy and pasted that same format here. Now I have here multiple options like formula, so keep source formatting, or no borders, keep source column width, or so like these are the paste values number formatting. So these all are parts of special paste special, which are directly available here by clicking on the control key in our keyboard. So this way we can change it or use it multiple features of the Excel. For example, for any table, for here a number as number agent DOB. So I have to apply filter. What I'll do, I'll type Alt H, and then you have for filter keyword is S, because it is sort and filter. So I will click on S. Once I click on S, now I can see that I have these four options: sort A to F, A to Z, sort Z to A. A to Z means descending order. Z to A means, sorry, A to Z, yeah, from A alphabetical order. Z to A is reverse alphabetical order. If you want to apply any custom sorting, so then you have to click here on U to apply custom sort, or click on F to filter. For example, I put on F. Okay, now the query comes that how to filter either Ram or Shyam without using mouse. So what we will do, I will click on Alt and down arrow. Okay, now I have Alt and down arrow, and it gives me option to either sort by color if I have filled that cell by any color. But no, I haven't done. So what I'll do is I will just go here. Either I can type here Ram and press enter, or what I can do is I go down to, I press space button, it will get unselected. Now I come to Ram and I press space bar. So here Ram is selected. Now again I am pressing select on space bar, so both are selected, and I am going on Sham and pressing space bar. Now only Ram is selected and not the Sham. So in this way we can use very different features of Excel by using keyboard only and without using a mouse or any other input keyboard. Right now, there are many options coming into the Windows like touch screen. So there are again it is giving much more flexibility. But since those are not yet common and still those touch screen laptops are still very highly priced. So what I would recommend is we need to learn these Excels because these Excels shortcuts are very useful while doing any either office work or personal work or anything. So this is just a starting video of my Excel basic in the first time for the beginners of Windows Excel users. And here I stop. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much.